Making of Khaman Dhokla. So firstly you mix the batter with approximately 50 to 70 ml of oil and then add some water into it. You will be needing a consistency like this. Okay, so you can use the MTR or any other Dhokla mix that you want to use. So this is our first step. I'll be using the utensil which you make to use idli, okay, because this is the one I have it available. So it is already greased up with the oil and it's it's ready to put in the mixture. Over here I'm already heating the oil in my idli pan, so by the time I pour in the mixture it will be ready for the usage. So now I'm going to add my mixture into the idli pan. So you need to make sure it does not overflow. So like this you have to repeat for each and every trays. You can see I've stacked up the mix. Now I'll be placing it into the idli container. We are placing it over here right now. We lower the flame and cover the lid. So it will need approx 5 to 10 minutes, but you can in the middle you can just open and check on the consistency, like how fluffy it has been made. Now next on to preparing the garnishing for the dhokla. The garnishing you have to pour in approximately say like half a cup of water. Add approximately 2.5 spoons of sugar. I'm using a big spoon, so I'll be just adding it directly over here. If you want to sweeten it more, then you can probably go ahead and add a little bit more. Now we have to just boil it for a minute. Garnishing part, you will need a little bit of coriander leaves, some curry leaves, and chili cut from the middle. So we'll be using it separately. I'll show you how to use this. You can stir your sugar syrup if you want. We just have to wait till the sugar dissolves. Okay, we don't need to wait more because again we don't want caramelized sugar over here. All right. So the sugar is dissolved right now. I'll be putting this aside. Okay. Now I'm placing this. We'll on the lower flame. We'll add some oil. Add the mustard seeds. So the mustard has started to pop. Now I'll be adding the curry leaves into it. Adding the chili as well. Give a pinch of hing. And now once it's done, we need to place it into the sugar syrup that we have created.